Hello guys, good evening. It's me again here, Maria. So, guys, I'm so happy today. I'm happy. I'm just happy. I feel I want a croissant, pan au chocolat, and a baguette. I was watching a basic French language, it's really funny, learning French is the most funny things, because of the words. But German language is very hard to speak. 'Cause I was with my ex-boyfriend, he is a German. So every time we speak on the phone, I'm just what? The road. But but I love French. I love to learn French language because they are sweet and like a fleur. It's a flower. It's a fleur, and then it's very difficult. The language is difficult, unlike our language. But it's sweet. I want to learn more of French. I saw it from the videos. Maybe I will try to speak a little French from time to time. Though I'm not fluent on English. How about pa kaya French, diba? So, I will try. I will try my best. I will give a shot. So, yeah. So, guys, how's everyone? How's your Tuesday? Hopefully, everyone is at home now, relaxing, eat already, guys, nahinog na yung durian namin. I'll show you guys 1 minute. Yung isa, nakain na mga kapatid ko kahapon sa birthday ko. Ngayon naman, may isa naman nahulog. Hi! Charan! It's so big! See you guys. Ang bigat niya it is 3 point something, 3.2? Yeah. So guys, bili na kayo, tag 50 na lang. Yung isa lang yung nakain ko kahapon, bitin. Hindi pa siya masyadong mabango. Siguro after 5 days or 4 days, pwede na to. Medyo malapit na siya mag-overripe. So hindi pa masyado Tingnan nyo. Ganito pag check kung ang durian is hinog na. Dapat kinakatok yan pag maano na yung niya, sounds niya, it means hinog na siya. Yeah. At saka guys, madali lang po siyang buksan. Kutsilyo lang na bubuksan na agad siya. Tingnan mo, manipis lang ang niya, yung skin niya. Tsaka yung kulay niya, yellow, creamy, medyo may pagka bitter konti. I think ganun yung mga puyat. I want to eat like one from this one. But yung mga kapatid ko lang ang nakakain ng marami, ha? Wala akong nakain, isa lang. But But anyway, my dad planned this for my brothers. Para sa mga kapatid ko ata. Anyway guys, what I want to say today is, oh, I just came from the mall this afternoon. So, nagbayad ako ng kuryente. Tapos na. So, ang hinihintay ko na lang, yung tawag na lang ng ano. Agency, wala pang tawag. 1 month na dumating yung visa ko, hindi pa ako tinatawagan. Kakainis. Tapos na ako mag-medical. Huwag sabihin nila, mag-medical ako ulit. Ay, guys. Hopefully, guys, don't be like, huwag kayong magsawa manood sa mga videos ko. I know it's not, as I said every time, it's not too much interesting, but please subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. I need to reach like 1,000. Anyway, guys. But guys, thank you so much for everyone who's watching me. Thank you so much for subscribing me. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. So hopefully everyone is happy, beautiful, handsome, healthy, and see you soon, guys, for my next YouTube videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye. Thank you.